Hi guys, how are you all? This is Suril Mishra from Vedas Academy. We are going to start a new video series in which you will learn how to solve multiple choice questions within few seconds. Today we will solve multiple choice questions from one of the most interesting topic of grade 10th maths. Our topic is BPT from chapter number 6, triangles. So first of all, we will understand basic proportionality theorem or BPT. It is also called Thil's theorem. So if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides at two distinct points, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. So if DE is parallel to BC, then it divides AB and AC in same ratio. According to BPT, if DE is parallel to BC, so from BPT we can write that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Sometimes it can be written as AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AE, or we can write this as AB upon DB is equal to AC upon EC. So we'll use these points to solve our questions. Our very first question is, in triangle PQR, L and M are the points on side PQ and PR respectively, such that PL is to LQ is equal to 1 is to 3. If MR is equal to 6.6 centimeter, then PR is equal to. चलिए इस क्वेश्चन को फिगर से समझते हैं. इस क्वेश्चन में PL is to LQ given है 1 is to 3. So this is 1 is to 3. And here MR is equal to 6.6. So this is equal to 6.6. And we need to find PR. तो आपको ट्राइंगल की PR साइड फाइंड करनी है. In this question we can apply BPT. Why? Because LM is parallel to QR. So from BPT, PL upon LQ is equal to PM upon MR. So PN upon LQ is given. This is equal to 1 is to 3. And PM, we have PM, we will find PM, and MR is equal to 6.6. On cross multiplication, this gives 1 by 3 multiplied by 6.6 is equal to PM, and this gives PM is equal to 2.2 centimeter. So we have find the length of PM, but we need to find the length of PR. So we can write PR as the sum of PM plus MR. So we have find PM just now 2.2 and MR is equal to 6.6. On adding, this gives PR is equal to 8.8 centimeter. So option number C is correct. So let's solve one more question. In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC, AD is equal to 2.4. So AD here, AD is given 2.4 and A is equal to 3.2. So this is equal to 3.2 and EC is equal to 4.8. This is equal to 4.8 and we need to find the length of AB. We have to find the length of this side. So here it is clearly given that D is parallel to BC. So DE is parallel to BC. From BPT we can write that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. So AD is given 2.4, DB will find AE is 3.2 and EC is equal to 4.8. We'll remove these two decimals, 16 to the 32, 16 3s are 48. On cross multiplication, this gives DB is equal to 2.4 multiplied by 3 upon 2. So from here, DB is equal to 3.6. But we need to find AB. AB, we can write AB as AD plus DB. AD is equal to 2.4 and DB we have find here 3.6. So 2.4 plus 3.6, this is equal to 6 centimeter. So length of AB is equal to 6 centimeter and here option number B is correct. So this is third question in the row. In triangle ABC, DE is drawn parallel to BC, cutting AB at C and AC at E, such that AB is equal to 7.2, so this is equal to 7.2, AC is equal to 6.4, AD is equal to 4.5, and here we need to find the length of AE. So here we can apply our BPT. We can write that D is parallel to BC. So AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AE. So AB is equal to 7.2, AD is equal to 4.5, AC is equal to 6.4, and AE we will find. So we'll remove these two decimals. 9 8 is 72, 9 5 is 45. On cross multiplication, this gives A is equal to 6.4 multiplied by 5 upon 8. So we'll remove this decimal. 8 8 is 64, 8 10s are 80, and 5 2s are 10, and 2 4s are 8. So this gives A is equal to 4 centimeter. Option number B is correct. So this is the next question. In triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC, AD is equal to 7x minus 4. So this is equal to 7x minus 4, and A is equal to 5x minus 2. This is equal to 5x minus 2, and DB is equal to 3x plus 4, and EC is equal to 3x. So we need to find the value of x in this question. From BPT we can write that AD upon DB is equal to A upon EC. So AD is equal to 7x minus 4, and DB is equal to 3x plus 4. A is equal to 5x minus 2, and EC is equal to 3x. So आपको ऑप्शन में से x की वो वैल्यू सिलेक्ट करनी है जो इस कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई करे. अगर आप इसे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से करोगे सो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन बन जाएगी, बट वो आपका काफी ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट कर देगी. चलिए इस क्वेश्चन को ऑप्शन से करते हैं. तो सबसे पहले हम x की वैल्यू 3 चूज करते हैं. अगर मैं यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू 3 रखता हूँ, 7 3 is 21, 21 में से 4 माइनस करेंगे तो आएगा 17, एंड यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू 3 रखेंगे, 3 3 9 प्लस 4 13, तो दिस गिव्स 17 by 13. एंड इसके राइट साइड में हम x की वैल्यू रखेंगे 5 3 15, 15 minus 2 gives you 13, and here if you put x is equal to 3, so this gives 9. So here left hand side and right hand side is not equal, so x is equal to 3 is not the right answer. So we'll take option number C. So if I choose x is equal to 4, 7 4s are 28, 28 minus 4 gives you 24, and 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 4 gives you 16. On simplification, this gives you 8 3s are 24, 8 to 16, 3 by 2. And if I put x is equal to 4 here, 5 4s are 20, 20 minus 2 gives us 18, and 4 3s are 12. So on simplification, this also gives 3 by 2. Here left hand side and right hand side is equal. So x is equal to 4, satisfy the given condition. So this is the correct answer. This is our last question of this session. In the given figure, ABCD is a trapezium whose diagonals AC and BD intersect at O, such that AO is equal to 3x minus 1, OB is equal to 2x plus 1, OC is equal to 5x minus 3, and OD is equal to 6x minus 5 centimeter. Then we need to find the value of x. So we will solve this question using a simple construction. We'll draw a line segment OB which is parallel to AB. So in triangle DAP, we can apply here BPT. Why? Because PO is parallel to AB. From BPT, we can write DP upon PA is equal to DO upon OB. So this is our first equation. Now we will take triangle ADC. So in triangle ADC, PO is parallel to DC. Why? Because EB is parallel to DC, so PO is also parallel to DC. We can apply here BPT. From BPT we can write BP upon PA is equal to OC upon OA. So this is our second equation. Now we can compare both the equations. We know that if two things which are equal to the same things are equal to one another, so we can write BO upon OB is equal to OC upon OA. Now we will substitute the values of DO, OB, OC and OA. So DO is equal to 6x minus 5, OB is equal to 2x plus 1, OC is equal to 5x minus 3 and OA is equal to 3x minus 1. We will solve this question using options. So we will try with option number A. So we will substitute the value of x here. So 6 3s are 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 5 gives us 7. This is 7. And if I put x is equal to 2 here, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. So this gives 7 by 5. Now we will substitute the value of x on the right hand side. So 5 into 2 is 10. 10 minus 3 gives us 7. And 3 into 2 is 6 minus 1 gives us 5. So here left hand side and right hand side is equal. So we can say that x is equal to 2 satisfy the given condition. So option number A is correct. If you find this video really helpful, then hit the like button and share to your friends. If you want any specific video on any specific topic, then write in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Bye bye everyone. See you in the next video.